What's it? Holy cow?
Holy cow, the beautiful sister. Come on, mommy. Mommy. It's fulfilling.
It's fulfilling. That is a man. In a big.
Daddy man, the big is fulfilling. And I have full sister. And the candy has to do. Full sister, mommy. Okay. Hi. Oh, what's it? This is food and fucking Mickey.
Oh yeah.
You can nail you with
Toys.
toy. What is it? Mommy, this is a baby. Wow, it's a full baby for sister, and a full baby for Chloe. And candles away the fun. Mommy, come on, sister. And a full sister is the door, is the candle. Opaque, and then comes the candle. Opaque.
God for.
And the full sister and the two is the door. And the candle if you can hit this. Come on. Look. It's a toy city I go shopping. It's a beautiful shopping. Oh, wow. Hello. Mommy, look. Mommy, look at this. Look at this. It's a red.
It's red.
Look at this.
It's so soft.
Wow.
Wow. What is that? A fan?
A fan. Air cool. Okay, we'll put it out the computer. Look at that. Wow. Ew, it's a bed. Wow. Mommy, look. Wow. Hello, wow. Hello.
Where is Fully? Go this way. Ah, Fully.